So I want to directly about Vietnamese na term in the Philippines is a bolder woman, for the loose equipment and this trouble is a bold before the bathroom. To asking about the Filipino people, she's not a fixed place in loose Tagalog, but also Vietnamese real. But this is woman is not access and whatever to this is the vacation about the Philippines Sea in China Sea to America's World War III because Vietnam is Asian people, like all Asian, anything's problem to the war damages or politics or there were other people is reveal baka ngayong mga taong ito ay pumupunta ng Pilipinas para mag-rebuilde, manggulo, mag-bold or whatever etc. to meaning about that and well what happened is very right because our people knows this is like me and well what happened over the Philippines is as they were here for the long para pagsilbing sa para magtrabaho habang na kinikita kong sweldo ay isang kapiranggot na pera is almost body the Filipino people to me is a bully understanding is time but to other people's belief. So now President Marcos in the Philippines the 30-old senator of in my bulk here in Pipay in the Philippines bakit hindi mo pa binibigyan aking mana ransom? You know what is often the both my mountain is over testing to the world about foreigners, effect and damage. Hindi ka ba nahihiya? I going to Canada, enjoy my life for anything. Pwede ko rin gawin to pupunta ako ng Canada, going to Canada, and wala akong dalang documents, the travel, sasakay ako ng Philippine airline to going Canada. Wala akong document who you are about to travel. Sisingit lang ako sa mga tao na yun. For anything, mahuhuli ako ng police, whatever the guard. Kung mangyayari yan, talaga magkakagulo tayo. Happened to over my speech. Hindi mo inaasikaso whatever you believe. It's a big mistake. Ito ang ating mangyayari kasi I want to over this here country. Tumatanda ako dito sa Pilipinas na wala nangyayari. Mapupunta lang aking life for long. I never die because the God is this time on earth. I don't believe other people to corrupt and abandon my life also. So, the very compromise it to each other but not kid. So anyway, dahil ito talagang gagawin ko kasi pag na-over talaga ko, I'm gonna distance myself or overdose and hit me and pick me up all our people stupidest about my social media and my YouTube channel, because I'm working in the Philippines, Manila now. A small, almost little income and illegal people. So, yun din ang gagawin ko. Kumbaga tatakas ako ng Pilipinas. I want to enjoy baka doon pa nga ako umaman sa Amerika, sa Canada for the music, when all the celebrities to miss gifted, understanding to anti. I don't care about people because people is not to miss possession about my personal crowded. Sino sila? Di na sila world to going. I don't do that. We assume it and understand your rich material water space and simplicity from me. I respect sa iyo. So, it's a point because President Philippines, ibigay mo ng aking 100 million Philippine peso because $100 million American. President Biden, Donald Trump, Obama, all senator in the America going to me. Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi gugunaw ang mundo at hindi matutuloy ang World War III. I am a personal speech to control the world. So my power is not your president, it's not you pastor, it's not you people, all the above, not you, my power. It's me, and I believe it's me. Click to subscribe by notification bell and a mile to my YouTube channel. I am Donovan Renega for human being and original name Tobias Bernang and GR. To my YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all my platform access in this longer to it. Thank you.